Lag spikes can be frustrating when playing Call of Duty, but there are several steps you can take to optimize your gaming experience. Follow these steps to reduce lag and improve your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and run a speed test to confirm your upload and download speeds meet the game's requirements. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and bandwidth, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your graphics settings within the game. Reducing the resolution, texture quality, and other visual effects can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 4. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website or use a driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers for your network adapter. Step 5. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, consider changing the channel on your router to reduce interference from other devices. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Call of Duty gameplay experience. Enjoy your game, and may your lag spikes be a thing of the past.